Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I have the Kat Von D Rust palette. I have been doing a 4-part series just showing some different looks that you can get with this quad because I know it can be kind of difficult when you have only 4 eyeshadows to come up with a lot of different looks, so I thought it would help you with that. If you want, you can just pause your screen right now and I will tell you everything that I used to get this look and where I applied it, and then you can just go and do the look on your own. Or if you want to stick with me, I will do a tutorial next and I'll show you what brushes I used and how I applied them and what order and just the technique that I used. So stick with me if you want to watch the tutorial. Otherwise, I hope to see you again soon. So I have applied eyeshadow primer, and I've also applied the highlighter shade all over my eye to set my primer like I always do. Today's look is a smoky eye. We'll see how well I do this because I'm not that great at smoky eyes, to be honest, but fingers crossed this turns out okay. I'm going to start with my crease shade, which I want to keep light since I am doing a smoky eye. So I'm going to use a crease brush, and I'm going to use the base shade, which is just kind of a peachy beige color. I want to get some depth of color, so I'm going to dip into that pan several times and add a lot of pigment. If you have a deep skin tone, this may not work for you. You're probably going to want to go into the contour shade and just use that as your crease shade. And I'm going to do small circular motions to blend it out. Next, I'm going to take a pointed definer brush, and I'm going to use the Define shade, which is the darkest shade in this palette, and I'm going to apply that on my lid. I'm going to try to concentrate the most pigment towards the outer third of my eye, and then I will use less pigment on the inner 2/3 of my eye. I have a lot of fallout from that base shade, so I am going to just take a fan brush and gently brush that off. That is one thing about this palette, is it does have a soft formula, and so sometimes you can get quite a bit of fallout. Next, I'm going to take a blending brush, and I'm going to just diffuse that edge. And then I'm going to just kind of blend that darker color into my crease a little bit, just kind of blend out those 2 shades, that base shade and that Define shade. Next, I'm going to take the Define shade and I'm just going to sweep that underneath my lash line. And I'm going to go a little bit darker with that than I normally do because this is a smoky eye. I'm going to take a smudger brush and I'm just going to smudge underneath my eyes so that it's nice and diffused and pretty. Next, I'm going to spray some Fix Plus onto the back of my hand, and this is MAC. And then I'm going to dip my brush into it, my accent brush, just to wet it really well. And then I'm going to dip that wetted brush into my definer shade, and I'm going to use this as eyeliner. Last, I'm going to take that highlighter shade and I'm going to highlight under my brow bone. So this is the final look, and I think it turned out really pretty. It's a pretty daytime smoky look because it's not too dramatic, but it would also be beautiful to wear at night as well. I just want to thank you for being here with me today, and I hope you're having a great day wherever you are, and I will hopefully see you again next time. Bye-bye.